AI in trading. But let's be honest, most of it is just hype. We're not here to talk about some mythical money-printing bot. Today, we're going to get real and dive into 5 practical ways you can actually use AI as your smart co-pilot to make your trading life easier, starting right now.
Right? Let's just get this out of the way immediately. We all know that dream of a fully automated money printing bot is, well, it's just a dream. This quote really hits the nail on the head. If someone actually cracked that code, they'd be on a private island somewhere, not selling you a course online. So let's forget the fantasy and talk about what actually works.
And this right here is the perfect way to frame it. AI is not an automated money printer, it's your smart assistant. It's not here to replace your brain, it's here to sharpen it. And it is absolutely not a magic bullet. It's a powerful tool that, if you know how to use it, can seriously streamline your whole process. This is the core idea for everything we're about to cover, AI as your smart co-pilot.
So with that realistic mindset in place, let's get into it. We're going to walk through 5 super concrete methods that you can start using, even with a free version of tools like ChatGPT, to make a real difference in your day-to-day trading.
First up, this one is maybe the simplest, but honestly, it could be the most powerful use case of all, getting your daily market briefing. This is all about starting your day feeling informed and confident, without having to spend hours digging through news sites.
Come on, we've all been there, right? You sit down at your desk, you open your charts, and you immediately feel like you're behind. What's the important news? What moved the market overnight? What do I need to be watching out for today? It can be totally overwhelming. Well, here's the solution. This is a powerful prompt you can literally copy and paste. But notice how specific it is. It tells the AI who you are, a Forex trader. What you trade? Gold and NASDAQ. And exactly what you need to know. The more specific you are with the AI, the better your results are going to be.
And this is what you get back. In like 5 minutes, you have a complete summary of everything that actually matters for the specific things you trade. You'll know about big data releases, major earnings reports like NVIDIA's that can send the NASDAQ flying, and you even get a basic technical outlook. This isn't about getting a buy or sell signal, it's about building your conviction and starting your day prepared.
All right, let's move on to number 2. This one is an amazing little hack, especially for anyone who manages multiple positions or is trading with a prop firm. It's time to stop doing mental math and let AI be your super fast calculator.
The process is just so simple. You don't have to sit there typing in every single entry price and lot size. You just take a quick screenshot of your open trades, upload it to the AI, and ask your question. It's a huge time saver, especially when the market's moving fast and you're under pressure. Okay, now check out this prompt. This is such a real-world scenario. Maybe you have multiple entries because you're adding to a winning position. That's called pyramiding, and you have a very specific dollar target you need to hit. You just upload your screenshot, ask this question, and bam, the AI instantly calculates the single combined tick profit level you need to aim for. No more guesswork, no more fumbling with a calculator.
All right, now we're starting to get into some of the more advanced stuff. This is where AI goes from being just a simple assistant to becoming something more like an on-demand trading coach that can help you analyze and actually improve your strategy.
This is just fantastic. You can describe your personal, unique trading rules to the AI in plain English, just like this prompt here. You lay out your exact setup criteria, and then you can ask it to help you backtest by spotting potential trades on a chart, or even ask it to suggest ways to make your system even better.
And the suggestions it comes back with are genuinely insightful. Things like adding a news filter so you don't get run over, or looking for confirmation with what are called fair value gaps, which are just price imbalances, or maybe implementing a partial take-profit strategy. I mean, these are the kinds of ideas you'd usually get from an experienced mentor, but now you have access to them 24/7.
Now, this next one is a really fascinating way to tackle the psychological side of trading, which we all know is half the battle. You can actually use the AI as a live journal. When you're in a trade and you feel those emotions kicking in, anxiety, fear, greed, you can type out a prompt just like this one, explaining how you feel and asking for a logical check based on the rules you already told it. And look at this response. It's not just an answer, it's a coaching moment. It reminds you to stick to your plan. It reminds you that trading is a game of probabilities. It tells you straight up that if you keep cutting winners short because of fear, you will never see the long-term edge of your system. Imagine getting that kind of clear, unbiased feedback in the heat of the moment. It's a total game changer for building discipline.
Okay, but before we go any further, we need a very important reality check. As amazing as these tools are, they are not perfect. They make mistakes. You are still the pilot in this cockpit.
So here's the thing. In one of the examples, the AI spotted a perfectly valid trade setup, which was incredible. But it incorrectly confirmed that an Asian liquidity sweep, that's a specific move where the price takes out the high or low of the Asian trading session, had happened. It actually hadn't. This just proves you have to use your own eyes and your own brain to confirm everything the AI tells you.
Okay, our next point is for those of you who really want to take this to the next level. We're talking about actually building your own custom tools that are tailored specifically to your personal trading strategy.
So if you ever wished you had an indicator that could automatically draw the Asian session range on your chart for you, or flag your London kill zone, that's a custom indicator. The problem has always been that you needed to learn complex coding languages like PineScript. Well, the good news? AI can now write that code for you. It makes this incredibly advanced technique accessible to pretty much everyone.
So after going through all of that, what's the big takeaway here? What's the bottom line? It really all comes down to adopting the right mindset for this new era of trading we're in.
This quote really says it all, doesn't it? AI is a supplemental tool. Use it to speed up your research, sharpen your analysis, and keep your emotions in check. But never, ever let it replace your own critical thinking. You are the trader. AI is the co-pilot.
And that's the final thought I really want to leave you with. AI itself is not going to replace you as a trader, but a trader who effectively uses AI, they just might. So the question is, which one are you going to be?